At Union Pacific, engineering excellence is built on precision, teamwork, and an unwavering commitment to safety. The Golden Spike Award recognizes the railroad's most outstanding engineering team of the year. This year's recipient is the Coffeyville Signal Maintenance Team.
It's not a dangerous job, just unforgiving. You mess up, you can be dead.
Crossing don't activate for when a train comes through, a train hits a vehicle. Worst case scenario, somebody gets killed.
And try to catch things before they happen. If something don't look right, look into it further.
More times than not, you find something, a small problem, before it turns into a big problem. That's just pretty much what our job is. In a perfect world, no one even talks about us. That would mean everything's working.
We maintain the existing equipment, install new equipment sometimes, but the electronics, the signal system, and the crossing system has to do with train and public safety. That's the part that I enjoy, keeping everyone safe and the trains moving.
We test these like it's our family that goes across these crossings. We work with several different departments, track department, of course operating with trains, dispatchers. It takes communication to make it all work, and we have it.
We all work together. If anybody has a problem, they can call any one of us. There's no hollers. We just go and help you.
A lot of times it's the worst weather, thunderstorms, ice storms, wind. Our signal system takes damage to Mother Nature, so we encourage each other, talk it out. The less signal trouble we have, the faster we can haul a freight.
Our stuff has to work, we can't mess up. The key is paying attention to detail, make sure that we, have our head screwed on right.
There's an expectation of our work being 100% correct all the time, so we keep up to that standard.
We got a real good team. You ask one person for help, two others are going to offer to help too. Honestly, the big part of it is just taking pride in your work.
Yeah, that's what it boils down to, is pride. If you don't care about what you're doing, you're in the wrong business.